Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and making sure you're in print layout so what you change matches print output. Once done, go to the Design tab where Page Color lives. This is faster than hunting through settings. If you can't find Design, check View and switch off Reading mode. Save or duplicate the file now so you can revert. That precaution avoids accidental permanent changes and makes testing backgrounds safe for complex documents. You click Design, then Page Color, and choose white from Theme Colors to set a true white background. That ensures consistent printing and contrast. If you need an exact shade, pick More Colors and enter RGB 255, 255, 255. Make sure your document theme still complements text color. Changing background can reveal contrast issues. If you work in dark mode, temporarily switch to light view to confirm. You finish by saving and using Print Preview to confirm the document prints white. This prevents surprises when sharing. If parts still appear gray, inspect watermarks, page borders, and any background images. Remove or replace them as needed. Also check section-specific settings and headers/footers that can override page color. If the background looks correct on your PC but not elsewhere, open on another device to rule out display or dark mode settings. One quick tip: clear caches or restart Word if changes don't apply immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.